From the fragile but fearless Audi Type A of 1910 to the electric supercars of 2035 that symbolize the future, in just 3 minutes, you will witness 125 years of Audi's evolution, a journey filled with every design breakthrough and leap of power. This video is a cinematic timeline of ultra-realistic and AI-powered Audi transformations, packed with legendary Quattro, RS and e-tron models. Ready? Fasten your seatbelts. Audi Vehicle Evolution 1910-2035 begins now.
With us, them now vex with us. From the day my bond